Yes, I bought a tractor. Yes. What am I gonna do with it? I guess tractor stuff. All right, let's get it out. That works. Tractor. Tractor. Now to go drive it inside and show my wife. Careful with that. Don't break that. Okay. Good. And yep, put it right there. Good job, Psycho. Why did Chuck hire him? I guess he's okay with the front end loader. What the hell? Tractor? Why the hell do you have a tractor inside the nightclub? Tractor? What did you get a tractor for? Tractor things. Okay, I don't think we really need a tractor. We don't really have land to tend to. No, not those kind of tractor things. Other tractor things. What other tractor things? Tractor things. Well, I gotta get the shipment unloaded off the truck. We'll help Psycho with it, so you have fun with your tractor things. Don't do anything stupid with it, please. We have enough lawsuits as it is. Whoa, you're gonna break that! Time to go do tractor things. Tractor things.
Snappy, kind of well dressed, or am I just making that up?
No! Fuck! Fucking cock! Cock!
Oh my god, Dad!
Dad, are you okay?
Damn it, I hate these new stairs. Yeah, fine. I'm just gonna lie here until the pain goes away.
Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?